Test of PDR adhesives for removing dents in cars. I apply the glue. We fix ourselves. I press. Even a little could have been more of that glue. I hold for a while. I leave to dry. Of course, the surface previously degreased on isopropyl alcohol base. A minute to dry, now cure the glue is about 1 to 3 minutes. Depending on the temperature, we work on the most ordinary extruder without any temperature control. Here we have a version of ATK 150 glue. And for pulling out, we will see after curing how it goes. The glue is strong enough that we pull out the sheet metal what we need and let it mostly peel off. And now what is most important, we do not tear it by force. Just drop the bonder into this glue. That is so. And it slowly comes off. The most important thing is that it has to work, which means you have to let it in. Wait a while. If there are any residues, remember after the stickers from all kinds of ATK citrus adhesives, you spray, pull, and that's the end of it. The same place the black version or ATK 160. And like 150. On the cheapest squeeze we were able to purchase, that is about $8. Now we are looking at the strength. Bends the sheet metal, no problem. And 115. Sooner the handle goes than the glue itself. Good, and now the unsticking that is let in. Drop in. Still here a good while. Waiting 160, which is the black version. And 115 goes away perfectly too. The bonder also manages without a problem, of course, between the cork, adhesive. So we also let in slightly. If it is good or you have a metal one, well, then you can use it again.